Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you and tell you how you can easily mute keyboard sounds on your iPhone. Be sure to put your likes. Also write comments after watching and subscribe to our channel. And we'll get started. So if you, for example, go to absolutely any app where you can write a message, and you're writing a message and there's a sound coming out. And you don't want that sound to be there, it annoys you. For example, pause. It happens a lot. Then you can remove it. To do this, you need to go to the settings of the phone. Then we go to Sounds and Tactile Sensations. And here, scrolling down a little bit, we find the connection with the keyboard. And when we open this menu, we can see that we can disable the keyboard sounds. And also, if you want to, you can disable the vibration when you press a key when you're typing. And after that, if you try typing, as you can see, the sound is no longer there. That's the simple way you can mute keyboard sounds on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you, was useful for you. Put your likes and write your comments. Also be sure to subscribe to your channel. See you soon, friends.